What's up, world? It's your boy Canon Corey, man, and today I'm in Las Vegas, and I want to show you guys what it's like in a Las Vegas Boulevard. Come watch.
If y'all want to come to Vegas, make sure y'all got money.
Thanks. So we're spending the morning walking around close to the Flamingo. This is what the street area looks like and how much of a vibe it is when there's not a bunch of people and it's the morning time. Everything's chill. You know? I kind of like to get out. Oh, Starbucks?
Nah.
Yeah. Oh no.
McDonald's.
Ooh, I can't look at this little girl thinking she's doing something. It's pretty chill out here. Check out this really big McDonald's that we just found. It only has one arch, but it gets the job done. Things look totally different in the daytime, in my opinion. What y'all think? It looks different in the daytime, doesn't it? Way more calm. You can enjoy it better.
Yeah, I mean it's like 7 a.m.
Well, I figured it would be better like this if we can walk around in the daytime because it's not gonna be a bunch of people in the way. You can actually see everything that you're trying to look at. No. So the first time I ever came to Vegas for the first time, I stayed right there in the Treasure Island Resort. It's hard to find parking in Vegas. The reason they put all these rails up is to keep people from crossing the street. All right, guys, so if you guys enjoyed watching this video and you learned something, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I just took a little stroll around Las Vegas Boulevard with the kids. Right now we're kind of ending our little trip at the Venetian Hotel. It's a really dope hotel to like really hang out and get a bunch of photos, a whole bunch of cool photos. I think I'm actually gonna go back to my room and try to get my Lumix G7 and make a video with that camera. But till I see you guys again, make sure you guys keep aiming for the top, and I'll see you in the next video, man. Enjoy some of these views. They're dope.